Paisley Planner. So I happened to see a YouTube video from one of my Plannerville sisters, Tawana, and she caught a sale at Hobby Lobby because they got this big sale going on at Hobby Lobby. There was this planner that she got, and I just fell in love with it. I just had to get one. So it's holographic, and so if you like mermaids and unicorns, you'll love this notebook because you could put all your inserts, your paper clips, your paper. You could just customize your planner as you like. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is what I got, and they got this big sale going on at Hobby Lobby. Look, now isn't that a beauty? So it's the Paper Studio Agenda 52 Personal Planner, and it's holographic, and look at, just beautiful, just a beautiful planner, just all holographic. So I make my own paper clips, like this one right here. So I made this paper clip, pretty, right there. So yeah, so I make my own inserts and everything, and so let me show you how it looks on the inside. I need to get my nails done. I ain't had time, but look, isn't that a beauty? Look it, and normally it's $14.99, and it was on sale for half off, so it was $7 and some change, right? Isn't that just a beauty? And but look at the inside. Look at the snap, but look at the inside. This is what made me fall in love. See those hearts? Even the hearts are reflective, and it has the pockets and everything. So I could put all kind of inserts and everything in this planner. It's just a beautiful planner, and I just had to share. Isn't she a beauty? So I don't have time tonight to get her together. I will over the weekends, so keep your eye open. I'll either do it Friday night, Saturday night, or Sunday night. One of those nights I'm gonna start making my inserts and everything for her. So keep your eye open for my video. I'll be on YouTube or Twitch, so you can catch me on either YouTube or Twitch, which I'm loving Twitch because it's another platform where you could do videos and reach out to the crafters out there. So yeah, and you can find me on Twitch under PurplePaisleyPlanner. So yeah, just keep your eyes open for my videos, and if you miss it, it'll still be saved, so you'll still be able to watch it on YouTube and on Twitch. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But everyone have a good day. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to fill her up. Bye-bye. Oh, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, have a good day.